So these are the newest release most essential Tesla Model 3 and Model Y accessories, and as you can see, we got a whole bunch of them to show you. And there is a huge spring sale event from March 25 to March 31st on Amazon where you can get all of these accessories for a fraction of the cost. Spigen, the company that perfected the cell phone cases and screen protectors, also make Tesla accessories. And we have raved about the quality of their products in the past in different videos, and today we're going to be showing you a whole bunch of them. Now, Spigen's products are super high quality. They give you the ODM feel where it should have just come from the factory. It does not look like it's an add-on product, and all of their products are like that. We have raved about their quality, the fit, the useful, the utility. It's just amazing what they make. So really excited to show you all of these products today. I put a link to all of these products in the top of the description of this video. Let's just start with protection accessory. This is the trunk guard protection for Juniper here. So for the older cars, there is a plastic piece that goes here, but for the Juniper, they decided to just leave a carpet. So that makes it dusty, and also it damages when you are rolling a luggage or something. So we're gonna be protecting that here. So how this works is super simple. There is Velcros on the edge here. As you can see, they made this pretty tight, and we just have to basically take this and align it here. The deep portion goes right here, and then push this down. Just make sure that it is aligned firmly on both directions here. If it is not, just remove the Velcro and push it in, and then try to push it inside this weather stripping here. So as you can see here, this did it. It is fully covered there, and it is actually underneath the weather stripping piece, so you wouldn't even know this exists. That is perfect. Similar to the trunk liner protection, this is bumper protection. Super easy to install, but allows you to protect your rear bumper. As you can imagine, loading stuff on the trunk, you could easily scratch this. So we're gonna be doing this now. So for this, they send you the roll itself to protect this. They also send you some alcohol wipes and a squeegee, because we're gonna have to kind of fit this into form. Now the very first step is to go around and thoroughly clean this part, this bottom part here. So we can remove the alignment sticker like that. You go here. This is likely straight here, and then you just stick the alignment piece. As you see, there you go. It needs to straight stick at the end like that. You want to do that again on the other side as well. It is in the exact same spot. So now we have done that alignment, and we have done this alignment. As you see, the sticker is here. Now we need to start removing the adhesive from right here. As you can see, this is the very middle portion. So we just lift this here and then remove this adhesive cover, as you see, and then you can just align it and then push this down. And you don't even need a squeegee right now because the air bubbles are not being formed. But if air bubbles start forming, that is when you are going to grab a squeegee and basically push this down. But we are just going to make our way through. So just like the other side, we're going to continue this side as well, lifting this in, push it as you go. So for this, you just fold it like that, run your squeegee through, and it takes its shape. And if it is not going in the way you like, lift it and then push it down exactly like that. And as you see, it really starts forming and protecting this piece. As you can see, it really does a good job of now protecting this piece, because this is a leathery material here. So if you use your roller or anything on top, it is not going to damage the plastic inside on your Tesla, but rather it is just going to protect it. So really good here from Spigen. This is a super handy MagSafe mount for your Tesla Model 3 Highland or Juniper. It could go on either the driver or the passenger side. Most people are gonna probably put this on a driver side, but just wanted to show you clearly here where this goes on the bottom portion on the Airvent, and then this kind of clips into this top Airvent, the dash piece here. So that's it. That's how simple it is. And this is a silicone piece, and then now you have got this charger, and you can control this knob on the back to tighten this or adjust the angle however you want. And it basically allows you to have, if you have a MagSafe phone like this, to put it in, and then it just stays right there in its place. It is secure, but you can also adjust it, as I say. So if you're looking for a super easy place to put your phone in and out really easily, Now, of course, always pay attention to the road, but you can also use this hands-free with the FSD without triggering the ice on the road warning, because it is directly in front of you. You can kind of look at it from the edge of your eyes and still have your phone handy, but also not trigger the FSD warning. This is an awesome magnetic storage that goes under your center screen, and it allows you to store so many different things. Highest quality one that we have seen, where it does not rattle or anything, and it allows you to keep things with magnetic on the back as well. So how this works is super simple. As you see, the magnet just goes and then clips into its place. So all you have to do is put this underneath through here, align it into its place, and you don't even have to know where it is. This is by far the highest quality one that I have seen in the market, because the ones that we had shown you in the past had even a little bit of rattle, but this one does not. Like, I can shake this and it does not make any noise, as if this is built into the screen here. So super strong magnet that they're using. This looks nice. It looks like it belongs in the car. It has a padded space here, very, very wide space here. So you can put your phone, you can put your glasses. This becomes really nice for there. And again, as I say, super high quality. The magnet is quite strong. And in addition to that, they also have this top one here. This is a magnetic surface, so it will attach to the magnet, but they also give you a little magnet that you can put. So if you look at it right here, this is the little magnet. So if you wanted to put the magnet on the back of your phone, and then that way your phone becomes metallic, and then you can just bring this, and then as you see, it attaches to this surface. So if you want to do that for your phone, your glasses, anything that you need to leave. Garage door openers, great use for this. So they did that as well. But quality wise, I am just amazed. The utility wise, of course, this is super useful. So in this space here, you can just hide your glasses. In the back, that's what it looks like. From the front, you wouldn't even be able to see it. Next is this under seat awesome organizer for Juniper. And the install is super easy. You just literally slide this in, and it stays there underneath your seat for the driver or the passenger side seat in the front. And you can just drag this out, put the stuff. It actually holds onto this column here, so you're able to freely move your seat. No problem. You can go down, you can go up, move forward, backward, but it allows you to hide things underneath. So if you're a little bit there, nobody would even know there is a storage down. It's also super helpful for, if you go to the beach and then you want to store your slippers there so that it doesn't get anything dirty. You can do that, tug it inside, and you're good to go. Like, you have this additional storage, just slides in and out. Speaking of storage, the stock Tesla center console is frankly a black hole. Everything you throw in there just ends up like a mess in the bottom. That is why a console organizer is an absolute must-have. Spigen actually makes a whole suite of console organizers that are very high quality, and we're going to be talking about a few here today. First, there is this smaller version that just drops into the central console and actually slides toward the front so it stays hidden. You can simply slide this out, store your essential, and slide it back in. This allows you to have so much space left over while neatly organizing your essential. They also have this non-sliding version that just drops into the central console, but is a much larger unit. This has multiple compartments to store your essential and really organize everything. You can put your glasses, AirPods, and other essential, and even coins. The great thing about this is that you can lift it and still access the bottom deep well for items that you don't need every day. Finally, this has a pass-through charging hole where you can insert your charging cable for things like AirPods and your watch. This almost makes it feel like it magically adds more space in your console. You can install both the sliding one and non-sliding one together to further organize your space and still be able to close the center console lid. Moving a little back, Armrest Organizer is a simple accessory that makes a huge difference with built-in dividers to keep things from rattling around. Just like the front one, this is laser fit and you can always lift to access other stored items from the bottom. This also has the pass-through cable charging, so your electronics can be charged while it is stored in this organizer. This is a center console, bottle holder, and organizer. You can put multiple things on the gap as well as large size bottles, because this actually fits 32 ounce and 40 ounce water bottles in here. So big water bottles. It's the first one that I have seen that actually has a water bottle holder. And then this actually just slides into the central console space like that. And that's it. Like, you can slide this, hide it. You can have more storage in the bottom, and then you put it out, and now you can put coins, you can put other items, and you can put your water bottle right here. How cool is that? Because that way it gives you 2 water bottle space here and 1 more here. And this is huge. Like, it is very, very good with the big here, and it has the insert on the side so that it protects your drink. It's not gonna wobble around. So a really good idea. So you can put glasses, you can put other stuff here, but this one is for your water. Of course, if you decide to not use it for the water bottle, you can also store other items here. This is a car essential charger with a retractable USB-C cable, 60 watt total, that has a USB-A and USB-C input here. So that's where it fits on the newer cars. On the older cars, it's gonna be by the armrest, and you can just pull this out. It has a pretty good length, so you should be able to have it next to you, and then it just simply retracts back. As you can see, pull it, let it go, it retracts, and then there's a USB-C output as well, so USB-A, and then you can do that. The center screen is a fingerprint and dust magnet. Microfiber cloth can clean this out, but you're rubbing tiny dirt and grit pieces on the screen that could put micro scratches. That is why Spigen made this 2-in-1 ultra portable cleaner kit. This has a slide mechanism that has integrated brush, which first removes all the dust and grit from your screen. Then the other side with the protective cover has a microfiber pad that allows you to remove all the smudges and any remaining dust from your screen. This works really well without needing any type of spray. This has a compact design, and you can easily store this in your central console. As you may be aware, the Juniper does not have a Tesla logo in the front. So today, if you want a logo, we are going to be fitting this one in from Spigen, and they made it super easy. Everything is a guide here. So let's do that next. So the first thing it tells us to do is basically put this in, and we are going to, it gives us the guide to exactly put where this needs to go. So now, because this is the guide, we can remove this and actually stick it. So remove the back of it. We can peel the side of this here because it has an adhesive. So what we're gonna do is basically put this through, and then we're going to stick it, making it straight. We're going to stick it because this line right here on the top needs to be aligned with this here. So we're going to keep it secured and straight by sticking this in. Next, we are going to be putting this stick guide here. So remove this, firmly align it here, and then this is straight still. We're going to do the same thing with this guide here. So we're going to remove the adhesive. You're not going to do anything. This is still up here, and then we're going to paste it. So now this looks straight. Next, we're going to remove the protective film from the back here, and then we're going to remove the adhesive cover from both the T logo and this, and then this is all aligned. We just have to push this down firmly. This is straight. Once we do that, just press it here, make sure that this is good, attached. Then you can remove the guide, and look at that. Without much effort, we have a Tesla logo in here. Now, just like that, we have a Tesla logo on the Juniper. These are the Frunk Organizer for Juniper, where you can put these dividers and make your space less cluttered. So for this, Tesla actually left a little area here where you can just hook this up. And if you look at it here, this is a soft surface here, so it is not going to scratch anything. It is going to be a snug fit. It takes the shape of the frunk here, so kind of like an edge shape. And all you have to do is basically drop this in to its place, and there you go. Now, one of this partition is done. You have that space here, so if you don't want that to move around, and then the other one, exactly the same thing. If you want to do it interior or exterior on this one or this one, and here you go. So if you want to use this as a cooler, you put some ice here, you want to put something different, now you get yourself a partition, which is super useful. This is what those partitions look like. Very snug fit. The quality, as I say, is amazing. I'm shaking this and it's not coming out. So it's a really good fit, tight fit. This is a universal back seat pet barrier. So if you have a pet and you don't want them to go in the front or chew something, you can do this so that you can protect it. This also works for kids if they are prone to throwing stuff at you. Maybe this will block it a little bit if you wanted to put this in. This works for all Tesla models. So this pet barrier actually comes with the top two sides already done. So these are going to be adjustable, and then the bottom ones have bungees here, so we're just going to hook this up and then put it on the seat. And super simple process. As I said, for the top portion, you can just put it through the seat here, just adjust the strap, and then the other side goes exactly the same. So we're just going to put it through the seat there on the top. So, and then now you can adjust the tightness as well, so shorter or longer, however much you need it. Now for the bottom piece here, you just hook one of this bungee cord here, and then you just take it to the end, and then you see the seat side of the seat there. There you go. Now you have got yourself a barrier here. Now we just need to do that on the other side. As you can see, it also protects the rear screen if you have the newer car. As you can see, this fully protects it so that it creates a barrier, especially for pet or little kids. And this is fully stretched out as well. We also have some valve caps that are really nice with the carbon fiber finish, so we're going to be putting the 4 pieces here. Now these valve caps are super self-explanatory. This is, the universal one that comes with the Tesla versus the one here from Spigen, and this has a little bit of carbon fiber finish, so it gives you more of a performance look. You just take this out. These are a little bit bigger, so I like it. It's going to be easier to take it out and put it back in. So there you go. That looks like a cheap plastic versus this looks more of a premium feel. Now, not only do they look really cool, they are also magnetic. So they just stick to the car here. So while you are filling your air, you can just stick this on the side. No more losing it, because those plastic ones are very easy to lose if you put it in your pocket. This one, you can just leave it on your car. Next, we got this awesome interior cleaner for your Tesla. This is safe to be used on all interior surfaces, including your seats and all the brackets. This comes on a really nice carbon fiber box and super straightforward. They give you a nice microfiber towel, and this is super handy to just keep it in the car and then use it whenever you need to. This is a detailing car cleaner. It is already diluted, so we're good to go for seats, windows, screens, everything. And then they give you the sprayer here. You just have to put this one end of the sprayer inside here, the tube. So now we can just put the tube here, and then this is ready to go. So you can always just keep this in your car, and whenever there is a little bit of mess, you can use this. It has a little bit of a pull tab here, and then now this becomes sprayable. So that's how simple it is. At the end, you just have to close this out, so this locks out. So next time you make a mess, just grab this bottle, spray a little bit, wipe it down, and it is going to be good as new. Especially useful for the stubborn mess that stays on the armrest area here, because we seem to use that space a lot. You can just spray a little bit, just give it a cool clean, and this should just go away. As you can see, that spot is no longer visible. Now these are the garage wall protectors. These are especially designed for the door ding, so that you can put it on your garage, so when you are opening the door, it does not hurt your door. These are made from shock absorption foam. It peels off easily so that it is not going to damage your wall. So these things are very straightforward. If you have a problem where you might be a little bit too close to the wall like this, and you're worried you're going to hit the wall here, you just put this on the location where you normally park, and basically when this comes through, it is just going to hit this shock absorption here and not your door. And that is the protection you can do. You can put as many wherever you need to, especially in your garage. And this is not just for the doors. You could also do it for your bumper and rear, and if it is a tight garage, especially with brick, this is super handy. So what do you all think about all of these products and your favorite accessory? Please let me know in the comment section below. As I said in the beginning, Spigen's products are top notch. They're high quality. They fit very well, give you the OEM type of a feel, and they're very useful all around. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. As I said, there's a huge spring sale event going on in Amazon where Spigen is participating March 25 to March 31st, and all of the product links are in the top of the description below. Please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and come back again soon.